Hello everyone, welcome to the Lumiché blog. My name is Chris, and today we will be making an easy, guilt-free iced latte. You will need a 1/4 cup hot water, 1/2 cup low-fat milk, and some ice. Start by emptying a sachet of Lumiché Guilt-Free Coffee into a 1/4 cup hot water. Stir well until the coffee dissolves. Those are our signature malunggay leaves floating near the surface. Pour in 1/2 cup of low-fat milk. Give it a final stir. And add in some ice. And that's how you make a guilt-free iced latte. Perfect for summer. A few tips. Try using your favorite brand of almond milk and top it off with a sprinkling of cinnamon. Trust me, it's a treat. Get in touch with us in the comments section and remember to follow the blog for more lifestyle tips and recipes. Once again, this is Chris for the Lumiché blog, and remember, flourish.